Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best jewelry cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Weiman Liquid Jewelry Cleaner. This jewelry cleaner is easy to use and effective at removing grimy buildup on gold, diamonds, platinum, and other precious stones and metals. It especially works on small intricate pieces by lifting the dirt off the jewelry, so you won't need to do much, if any, scrubbing. It includes a tray inside the container so that you can even clean delicate chains. When you're done soaking your jewelry, which can take up to 30 minutes depending on how much dirt is embedded, all you have to do is rinse. Rinsing the jewelry before wearing it is a good idea. Not only does this wash away the dirt, but it also safely keeps any potentially irritating cleaner off your skin. It should not be used to clean pearls, however. Other surfaces that can be damaged include amber, malachite, opals, jade, or turquoise. This is because it's an ammonia-based cleaner. Ammonia can damage the finish of some surfaces, so be careful if you aren't sure what your jewelry is made of. It can be used to clean silver, but isn't as effective at removing tarnish as it is on other metals. Still, we give Weiman's cleaner gold stars because it gives a professional level clean in mere minutes. By the end of it all, with all of your newly cleaned jewelry, you might just feel like $1,000,000. Number 2. Our second best pick is Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. This jewelry cleaner surprisingly uses plain old tap water and 42,000 Hz ultrasonic sound waves to get dirt and grime off of everything from diamond and gold wedding sets to eyeglasses. Because it doesn't use chemicals, it's safe for all types of jewelry. As our tester explains, while this handy machine can clean all your jewelry, and coins, and flatware, and even dentures, razors, and toothbrushes, the brand advises users to allow 10 minutes in between rounds to preserve the life of the device. With that said, you can easily clean multiple items at once. Bonus, you can also set the cleaner on a timer based on the type of jewelry and soil level. Choose between 90, 180, 280, 380, and 480 seconds. It automatically shuts off when it's done and cleans without you having to stand by and monitor. You can even place your jewelry in a basket so tiny pieces, like an earring stud or a small necklace charm, can be cleaned without worry. One note, this machine does take up more space than most liquid cleaning solutions, so be prepared to make room for jewelry cleaning storage. Number 3. Our third best pick is CONNOISSEURS' new Premium Edition Fine Jewelry Cleaner Solution. This liquid cleaner only takes 30 seconds to get to work on everything from gold and silver to diamonds and pearls. It's one of the few options that's gentle enough for porous stones, such as pearls and opals. To use it, all you have to do is put your jewelry in the tray, and dip it into the solution. It comes with a brush to swiftly clean intricate designs and crevices. Just rinse your necklaces, bracelets, and rings, and enjoy the sparkle. Still, it isn't the most effective on non-porous stones or silver. If you want something that'll work on these harder surfaces, look for the brand's Fine Jewelry Cleaner and Silver Jewelry Cleaner. While that does mean you'll have to purchase multiple products, it helps to have something formulated for your specific jewelry needs. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Brilliant Jewelry Cleaner. This liquid jewelry cleaner is appropriately named, because it really does bring a brilliant shine to gold, platinum, and non-porous gems, such as diamonds and sapphires. It also doesn't contain harsh bleach or ammonia, so it's safe on many types of jewelry, without irritating your skin. That means it may take more scrubbing to eliminate built-up grime and older dirt. For less than $10, the kit includes a tray for jewelry to sit in the solution for up to 3 minutes and a small brush to get into all the nooks and crannies. The brush even fits into a slot in the tray for easy storage when you're done cleaning. For the best sparkle, Brilliant recommends using a soft polishing cloth after rinsing, which you'll need to purchase separately. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Steamfast SF1000 JULE Steam Jewelry Cleaner. Another chemical-free option is the Steam Jewelry Cleaner from Steamfast. It uses 58 psi pressurized steam to lift dirt and grime right off of your jewelry. It's safe for precious metals and many stones, including diamonds and sapphires. Steamfast also includes a helpful guide that lists 24 stones and answers whether or not they can be cleaned using steam. If you're bursting in bling, know that the machine holds up to 12 ounces of water and can provide 15 minutes of continuous steam. You can also opt for burst mode. The steam only takes 4 minutes to heat up, which is indicated by a ready light on the top of the unit. We also really love the added LED light near the basket so that you can do a thorough inspection after cleaning. While it's no doubt a pricey machine, you better bet it's well worth it. You'll actually be able to see the sparkling results. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.